Hello everyone, it's me Uncle John. Today I am going to read S22227. Come visit the garden where tasty vegetables, fruits, herbs, and colorful flowers grow. Fragrant herbs add flavor to food. Flowers make a pretty bouquet. Fruits can be eaten fresh or cooked to make jellies. Vegetables make healthy salads or are delicious when cooked in stews. This part of the garden has vegetables and herbs that need lots of sun to grow. Garlic is an herb with a very strong flavor. Chives grow in tufts. They taste similar to onion. Basil adds flavor to foods such as pasta. Some peppers are red and spicy. Peppers can also be green. Some are yellow or orange too. The eggplant is dark purple. Tomatoes grow on vines. They turn from green to red as they ripen. When it is very hot, snails hide under the leaves of vegetable plants to stay cool. These vegetables are all part of the gourd family. They grow on vines. Small cucumbers are used for making pickles. The zucchini is green with specks of yellow. It grows very quickly. The robin eats insects it finds on the ground in the garden. Large cucumbers are used in salads. The patty pan squash was first grown by Native Americans. The melon ripens in the summer. The chayote only has one large seed inside of it. Pumpkins are a bright orange color. Over here, there are lots of green leafy vegetables. Cauliflower is eaten raw or cooked. Green cabbage is round with tightly overlapping leaves. Only the buds of Brussels sprouts can be eaten. Spinach leaves are rich in vitamin. Leeks can be harvested even in the winter. Most lettuce is eaten fresh and uncooked. In spring, broccoli is picked before its flower buds opened, so its chard must be watered often to remain tender. Many vegetables grow underground in the garden. The potato is a tuber, which means it is a swollen underground stem of the plant. The earthworm eats soil. It also nourishes the soil. The onion is the bulb of a plant. It is made up of thin leaves called the scale. The turnips are tubers too. They are rich in carbohydrates. The carrot is a long, swollen root. The radish has a very strong flavor and is planted in the springtime. The beet is another root that is eaten raw. Sometimes moles dig the underground dens in gardens. The legumes or vegetables with pods and sweet corn grow in this area of the garden. Corn grows best in warm weather and needs a lot of water. The red bean can be eaten fresh or dried. The green bean is picked soon after it appears on the plant while it is still tender. The sunflower towers over the plants in the garden. As it grows, the flower turns to follow the rays of the sun. The broad bean is one of the oldest vegetables. Green peas grow all in a row in a long pod. All kinds of juicy fruits and berries grow in the garden too. When it is ripe, the fig is purple and soft. The kiwi is an exotic fruit rich in vitamin C. Gooseberries are red or white and grow in groups called clusters. The black currant has a strong flavor and is good in jam and syrup. The strawberry is covered with tiny seeds. A raspberry is actually many small fruits joined together. The hazelnut is a kind of dried fruit that is high in calories. Ladybugs fly throughout gardens. In the orchard, ripe fruits are ready to be picked. Cherries are a favorite food of children and birds. Peaches have fuzzy, velvety skin. Apples are one of the most popular fruits. The quince is often used to make jellies. The plum is ripe by the end of the summer. Grapes grow in large bunches. Pears are narrow on top and wider on the bottom. The apricot is tasty, fresh cooked or dry. In this overhead view, you can see all the different sections of the garden. The gourd vegetables, fruit orchards, bush fruit and berries, corn and legumes, vegetables and herbs, root crop vegetables, green leafy vegetables. Learn the names of flowers, fruit, vegetables, and animals in this book. Can you find them all inside? The end.